Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time in a Zoom meeting. First, open your Zoom application or navigate to the Zoom web portal. Once there, locate and click the schedule icon or the schedule a meeting option. You will then be prompted to enter a clear and descriptive topic for your meeting. After that, carefully choose the desired date and the precise start time for your upcoming session. Next, specify the meeting's duration, which can range from 15 minutes to several hours. It is crucial to ensure the correct time zone is selected to prevent any scheduling confusion for participants across different regions. If your event happens regularly, enable the recurring meeting option. You can then adjust the recurrence patterns, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, to fit your schedule perfectly. For advanced control, consider enabling the waiting room feature, which allows you to admit participants individually. You can also choose to allow participants to join before the host, giving them early access. A very helpful step is to integrate your meeting with a calendar application, such as Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. This action automatically adds the event to your personal schedule, providing a convenient reminder. Before concluding, take a moment to review all your time and date settings carefully to confirm accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button to finalize your meeting schedule. Zoom will then provide you with the meeting invitation details. You can easily copy these details and distribute the invitation to your attendees via email, messaging platforms, or any other preferred communication method, ensuring everyone has the necessary information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.